Hi, Rob. This is a better representation, I think, of what I was trying to show you the other night. Um, Here's the first site. Username 1, and the password is password, Password. Click in Login. You should be able to use this site that you had up here. Ignore this. You can click OK. Here's the Democratic sandbox. Go to VDP public demo, launch simulation. Let's go put this down to 80. Let's go to run simulation. We get information. Open the information packet. District brief. Run simulation. Evidence. And yeah, demo format. In production, these become citations, sources, and all I have to do is basically to get these features, I just have to ask ChatGPT to create them for me, to cite the sources and things of that nature. So that's a step that I'll get to eventually. One other feature I wanted to show you is if you get in here, click here to ask ChatGPT a question. And yes, I'll have it load a previously saved question. And I ask it, why is there error? So I submit the question. It does its thing. It gives me an answer. Now, imagine that it's not something as silly as why is there error, but a more pertinent question. And the results are stored under results. The answer, and we store it. I'm storing this in a MySQL database. And here's the latest entry right here. This is what we just put in. Because it's and so I haven't figured out exactly all the different pieces to take this, but then that's part of this is part of the process that we need to go through, or that I need to go through. So yeah, like I said, it's a sandbox. It's the Python Anywhere login and username 1 with the password of password. Then the second, let's see here. Here we go. Here's the second site that I play with. And again, you should be able to get directly to this without having to go through Python Anywhere. Username is the same. Username 1 and password is the password. This login talks to the same database. So we click here to get in. We click OK. And then I believe I also showed you this. Here's the botpicker.com. See if it responds. There we go. All right, start a debate. Let's create 2 bots. Alpha. create a bot, create another one, beta. Let's create a debate, generate one. Should AI have rights? Let's go with alpha and beta and start the debate. And so now this will be between itself, but I think we should be able to have folks argue with, instead of two artificial intelligences, have one artificial intelligence, and then the individual responds, and can be done, I believe, verbally. So this is a sandbox. It's a placeholder. N, and then let's go back here. Let's see, I think which one is this? Okay, this one may not be working, so we'll kill that. But there were, let's see here. Yeah, here is, let's see here. I got to play with the product called Replit. I think I mentioned that to you. And right now I don't have these sites connected. I'm trying to get them connected. But just as an illustration of the kinds of things that we might be able to do. Instead of Commander Data and Mr. Spock, you might be able to put in Elon Musk versus, I don't know, one of the talking, the commentators on a cable show. And this came through, this was just as easily created. Let me see. I'm not sure this one is completely worked out, but it, oh, here. Continue debate. See if it, yeah, it's not producing, it doesn't produce. That's fine. I have another one that was, dash. Python. Well, this one I do believe works. And it's even got an admin page. So I can change, disable, enable, delete questions, add them. Here's a history of questions that I tinkered with. And let's see, let's start a debate. Let's see. Is social media doing more harm than good? Let's use that. Of my picture now. Okay, so I'm going to use the empath versus the logician. And here's the interjection of voting pro or con. So these are some ideas, and I theoretically should be able to incorporate this if my I got a cat recently. We got 2 cats, and he's deciding to get in and around the wires. But anyway, this is the keyword, 2 words that I think better exemplifies what, or defines what it is that I'm trying to create. And it's a decision support system, for voters. That may be the better way to quantify it. I have these sites plus one with a dead cat. When he doesn't want attention, he's fine. Anyway. I have a YouTube channel, and I'll try to post this out there so you can see both. Yeah, it's a starting point. I'll text you, send me an email address, an email address that we can, so I can drop things in larger content, and we'll go from there.